Hi there, in this video I would like to share with you how we developed this collection. At first we have a simpler but similar version, and we made it well priced, orientated for the mass market. That collection didn't take off, probably because it was way too simple, and we decided to keep the same collection at the same price point but tune it up a little bit so it looks better and therefore can sell. And this is what we did, and further I'm going to show you what details we changed. So the things we changed are profile, which is going throughout the whole collection, everywhere. The second thing, the headboard, we added the lines here. The very original version was with the fabric. Then the second version was just a plain MDF veneer here, and now we added these black lines to match the handles. Then next thing are the handles, and the very last one is the profile here on the bottom. Now I'd like to share with you how we made the handles. The very original design had the knobs, which made the product look standard. So we needed to make it more unique in terms of the design, and we changed the handle. When we produced the renders, we couldn't tell what materials we would be using. So in order to use metal, it would cost us a lot of money because these handles are big. And we decided to make out of wood. The very first handle was made out of acacia wood, same as the rest of the furniture. It's made out of solid acacia and MDF acacia veneer. But the problem with the acacia that you can see the grain. And we didn't want to see the grain because we don't want the final consumer to be able to tell what material this is. So we switched it to pine because pine can have a smoother grain, and after sanding you can't see it. And this is how we did it. The handles on the big drawers are on the top and the bottom, which again making this unique simple line, and it's also easy to grab from either top or the bottom. I also actually changed the angle because the very first sample wasn't easy to grab, it wasn't comfortable, so I needed to make the space here bigger. The handles are giving this design, this unique look with the long lines, and to make it throughout the whole design we decided to add these lines into the headboard, so we painted these two lines in a black color, same as the handles. If you're in furniture industry and buying products from Asia, subscribe to this channel, click like, click the bell button. I'm trying to upload videos every week so you can see how we produce furniture here in Vietnam. If you would like to find out the prices and details for this collection, we can send it over to you by email. Just go on the website, we have the link below. Just drop us an email or simply give us a call, and we will send you prices, pictures and all details you need.